This GMC Sierra 1500 boasts a gas V8 5.3 liters/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain grade braking, STD, trailer brake controller, integrated, tires, P265/65R18 all-terrain, BLACKWALL. This GMC Sierra 1500 comes equipped with these options: suspension package, off-road includes Z71 chrome side front fender emblems, monotube Rancho brand shocks and K47, air cleaner, JHD, hill descent control and NZZ, underbody shield. Includes UHN, 18x8.5, 45.7 cm by 21.6 cm, bright machined aluminum wheels. SLE convenience package includes JF4, power adjustable pedals, UD7, rear park assist, C49, rear window defogger and A48, sliding rear window. Summit white. SLE preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger. Includes driver and front passenger recline with outboard head restraints and center fold-down armrest with storage. Includes manually adjustable driver lumbar, lockable storage compartment and seat cushion, and storage pockets. STD, rear axle, 3.42 ratio. Kodiak includes AG1, driver 10-way power seat adjuster when ordered with AZ3, seats only, and 37, manual tilt and telescopic steering column. BTV, remote vehicle starter system, TEU, LED front fog lamps, UG1, universal home remote, C49, rear window defogger, KI4, 110-volt AC power outlet, CJ2, dual zone climate control, Z82, trailering equipment, and G80, rear locking differential for 2WD models only, jet black, cloth seat trim, GVWR, 7,200 pounds. 3,266 kg, STD, engine, 5.3 liters EcoTech 3 V8 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing, includes aluminum block construction, 355 horsepower, 265 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 383 pounds to foot of torque, 518 Newton meters, at 4,100 revolutions per minute, more than 300 pounds to foot of torque from 2,000 to 5,600 revolutions per minute, standard on TK 15,743 models, STD. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. B93L3 can get you a dependable Sierra 1500 today.